Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to unbox the Lush Hello Gorgeous gift box. And this thing is heavy too. But just look at how beautiful the packaging is. I just love it. And it's got the yellow Hello Gorgeous gift tag. And this beauty retails for $47.95. And the lid slides right off. This gift was lovingly packaged by Amy's team. Thank you, Amy's team. Okay, so what do I have in here? Okay, I have Dream Cream Body Lotion. And it's this off-white color. It smells okay. Lavender, tea tree, and chamomile. Yeah, I can smell the lavender. It smells okay. So that's Dream Cream. I have Rub, Rub, Rub Shower Scrub. And it is this beautiful blue color. It smells like floral. Okay, it says jasmine and mimosa. I really like that. That's Rub, Rub, Rub. Next, I have a Rose Jam Shower Gel. And I have used this before. It smells like roses. I love it. Sweet roses. They also gave me a gorgeous moisturizer. And it is off-white. It smells okay. Let's see. Brightens and firms skin with luxe ingredients and an ethereal glow. It smells okay. Like kind of soft floral-ish. They also included a Sakura bath bomb. And this one's so pretty. I love how it's white and then it's got like sprinkling like confetti. And then on top there's this cluster of crystals. That smells really nice, you guys. A delicate floral perfume evokes the blooming of cherry blossoms in springtime. Oh, I really like this one. I might have to get more of that. That's Sakura. And next I have the Comforter Bubble Bar. It smells like candy. And this creates a lot of bubbles. And you can use it more than once too. Oh man, that smells yummy. That's the Comforter. And then as my free gift, because I ordered online, they included Handy Gurugu Hand Cream. And it's like a grayish color. It's sweet. I like the way this smells. I don't have the scent notes, but I do like this one. So that is what comes in the Hello Gorgeous gift box. Please remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.